my first sport shoes from Nike. I've got bubbles all over. Hello my babes, Swagatam. Welcome back to today's video. If you're watching my face for the very first time, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगती है, हेल्पफुल लगती है, एंटरटेनिंग लगती है या पसंद आती है तो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके 100K करा दो और बेल आइकन जरूर बजाना. हर एक सब्सक्रिप्शन बहुत मैटर करता है गाइस. फ्री है, आप एक बार बटन दबा दोगे बट इससे मेरा दिन बन जाएगा. लेकिन आज आपका दिन बनाने के लिए मैं लेकर आई हूँ एक मिंत्रा ट्राई ऑन फन हॉल, जिसमें हम प्रोडक्ट्स को रेट करेंगे. कितने गंदे हैं, कितने अच्छे हैं, कौन सा लो, कौन सा मत लो. वी आर गोइंग टू रेट इट ऑल एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू माय फर्स्ट footwear from Nike. I got a shoe from Nike and one more footwear piece. I'm going to show you some sweaters, winter wears. So without any further ado, let's start with today's video and see what all we have. मैं ज़्यादा बकबक करके आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगी, but let's start with today's haul. अच्छी लगी तो जरूर लाइक करना, कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे अपना फेवरेट पीस जरूर बताना. And yeah, that's it. And if you have any feedback for me, leave them in the comment section below. Let's start. Guys, starting off with the first sweater. This is the first sweater which is from the brand Her by Invictus. Now ये 600-700 के रेंज में मेरे को मिला था. I got it during the Myntra EORS sale. Now this looks very pretty. Like if you see, it's a cable knit design on the sweater and the sweater looks really nice. Everything about this sweater is really nice, but the deal breaker that you get after you wear a sweater for like 1 or 2 times, you get to know it. So मैंने स्वेटर को एक बार पहना है and that too मैं कहीं बाहर गई थी कि नहीं, I don't remember. I believe I wore it for a shoot and within one time that I wore it, you guys can see, ठीक है, it has got bubbles all over. So मैंने मैक्स से भी लास्ट मंथ काफ़ी स्वेटर्स लिए थे and I did Amazon. मैंने मैक्स से भी लास्ट मंथ काफ़ी स्वेटर्स लिए थे and I did an Amazon haul. You can check that video. You'll see all of the pieces that I got. उनमें से एक के साथ भी ये नहीं हुआ, but this sweater got a lot of bubbles and you can see and you can understand. I cannot wear it outside anymore if I'm going to some good place or a nice place. I cannot wear this because in one time I wore it, इसकी बैंड बच गई बिल्कुल एंड इसमें पूरे बबल्स आ गए. दो ये कितना भी प्रिटी क्यों ना दिखता हो, until and unless मैं इसको एज अ टॉप पहन रही हूँ और ऊपर से कोई जैकेट पहन रही हूँ, I am not going to wear this outside. So this sweater is an absolute deal breaker for me and I'm not very happy with this purchase. I will put all the link in the description box below so that if you want to buy it or if you want to avoid it, you can. So yes, let's move on to the second piece and see what it is. Moving on to the second piece, guys. This is the second piece. It looks very pretty to me. अभी तक मैंने इसको बाहर तो नहीं पहना है, but the fabric is soft. It is from the brand, I guess, Roadster. मैं सारा डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. And I think ये भी कुछ 600 या 700 रुपीज़ का था. I have not worn anything inside it. तो मैंने कोई टॉप वगैरह नहीं पहना. I'm just wearing this as a top kind of a thing, this sweater, and it looks nice. But for a fact मुझे समझ में इसका फैब्रिक छू के आ रहा है कि इसको भी अगर मैं पहनूंगी तो शायद 2-4 बारी में इसमें भी बबल्स आ जाएंगे. दिस इज ऑल्सो दैट काइंड ऑफ अ मटेरियल जिसमें बबल्स आ जाते हैं एंड बट फॉर द प्राइस इट्स रियली नाइस एंड आई थिंक इट लुक्स वेरी क्यूट. इट्स अ बेसिक लैवेंडर काइंड ऑफ अ स्वेटर, नॉट सो बेसिक लिखा हुआ है इसमें. एंड जब ठंड कम होती है लाइक ड्यूरिंग नवंबर और फेब्रुअरी, यू कैन जस्ट वेयर दिस एज इट इज विद अ टॉप एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट वेयर योर जीन्स एंड गो आउटसाइड एंड लुक कूल. So this is the second piece. Though I recommend it, I cannot guarantee you guys whether this one will get bubbles or not. But yeah, this is the second piece. You can see how it looks on me and you can decide for yourself if you want to get it for yourself. So yeah, this is the second piece. Let's move on to the third one. Moving on to the next product which has a tag any which ways. हटा देते हैं इसको, रहने देते हैं, हट नहीं रहा है. So moving on to the next product, guys. This is a sweater from the brand Dressberry. Now जब मैंने इसको देखा, I decided to return it then and there because I was looking for a mustard yellow color for sweater and जब मैंने वेबसाइट पे देखा था तो I thought it would be a mustard yellow kind of a thing, but it is like a मेहंदी yellow or what yellow it is I don't know, but somehow I don't like this color. अभी मैं कैमरा में पहन के बैठी हूँ तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, but I don't like this color. I've not even like, obviously I'm trying it for the very first time and the fit is nice, the design is very nice. Like you can see जो इसका stitching है, it's very beautiful. The design is really nice. The sweater fits well and it's still the waist length Like the purple one was a crop top kind of a sweater, but this one is not a crop top kind of a sweater. So this looks nice. It can match your vibe. अगर ये आपकी vibe को match करता है, and if you know are into colors like this, you can go for this one. But I am not sure whether I want to keep it. Most probably I'm going to return it. So this is the next sweater. Again, I can the material is not very soft. The last one is very soft, which you will see after this, but it's not very soft. I know for a fact that materials like this would get bubbles after 1 or 2 washes. So एक दो बारी वॉश करने के बाद इसमें बबल्स आ जाएंगे for sure. But it looks pretty right now and I am loving the whole design. But मैं इसको शायद वापस कर दूंगी. But next वाला जो इसको मैंने 2-3 बारी पहना है, धो भी लिया है, so उसका तो मैं आपको बहुत अच्छा रिव्यू दे सकती हूँ. So let's move on to the next piece. I am sure that you will love it because it's a very beautiful piece and I love it a lot. Next up guys is this beautiful and gorgeous piece and the brand name I think Roadster था या Dressberry tha, whatever it was. I will link down this piece. This is my favorite piece. It looks like fur. It's like furry kind of a material, if you guys can see and make out. And the design is so cute, if you guys can see. हाँ देख रहे हो कितने fluffy है. Though I look so fat in this, but I don't mind looking so cute because this looks super duper cute. This sweatshirt looks super duper cute. And मैंने इसको high waist jeans के साथ पहना था and it looks so good. न्यू ईयर ईव पे मैंने पहना था. Iron Raj went out and he gave me so many compliments. तो मेरा तो दिल ऐसे ही बन गया. And this was like 900 something का ये स्वेटर kind of a thing था. तो इसको मैंने धो दिया है. But it's a very safe material to wear क्योंकि इसमें बिल्कुल भी bubbles नहीं आएंगे. अंदर की तरफ आए हैं, like अंदर की तरफ, क्योंकि मैंने इसको उल्टा करके धोया था. And बाहर की तरफ like it's absolutely okay. मैंने वॉश करने के बाद, ड्राई होने के बाद इसको सीधा कर लिया. And it looks so cute, है ना? Let me know in the comment section below guys. इन चारों स्वेटर्स में से आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगा? I got all these 4 sweaters. I think I'm not going to keep the yellow one. I'm going to return it. For the purple one, I'm still skeptical because I know the material for a fact would go bad. So I might return that one as well because I have way too many sweaters. And this time I got so many. I've done 2 hauls. मेरे Amazon की videos देखो, कुछ दिन पीछे मैंने post किए थे, बहुत sweaters लिए. So this is the last sweater piece. Really liked it. And let's move on to footwear. Beautiful footwear from the brand Corsica. And मैं इसको कभी पहन के बाहर नहीं गई आज तक. मैंने इसको सितंबर में लिया था. Didn't get the opportunity to wear. During my birthday I got this footwear. It looks very cute by the way and it's comfortable also. अब मैं कभी इसको बाहर पहन के जाऊंगी exactly तो मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ how uncomfortable or how good it is to wear outside. But this looks so good. I don't have any footwear in this color. This is a green color. The size is 40. My feet is like huge and बहुत ही प्यारा डिजाइन है. The best part is like I like block heels because मेरे को नहीं जचता. मेरा body weight and body size के हिसाब से I am never comfortable in pencil heel. So this is a block heel and it looks very cute. I have tried it, walked around my home and felt comfortable. बाकी आगे हम आपको कभी किसी और वीडियो में अपडेट करेंगे what do I feel about it. But for now these pair of footwear is really cute, beautiful. They are available in different colors and I like it. I got it for under 1500 and this is so cute. Here are my first sport shoes from Nike. I have shoes from Reebok. They are very comfortable. Puma भी पहना है मैंने. Puma is also very comfortable but I wanted to try Nike this time for a change and I got this in black color, a sports shoe in black color. Now ये जो भी इसका लिंक विंक है वो नीचे डाल दूंगी. मुझे ये 3500 का पड़ा and इसका प्राइस obviously 5000 था but I got it for 3500. Now I have sports shoes color pink, blue, purple, black. Basic shoe था मेरा रेड टेप वाला, वो खराब हो गया था. So I really wanted to get something like this. By the way guys, let me know in the comment section below if you're liking the vibe of this video. We are trying to do something different with the kind of content I exactly post. थोड़ा boring नहीं करेंगे, थोड़ा exciting करेंगे. तो मेरा बड़ा मन था यार काफ़ी टाइम से, बचपन से, कि कभी मैं Nike ओरिजिनल्स पहनूँ. हमेशा वो नकली ही खरीदने के पैसे होते थे. पैसे नहीं थे मेरे पास पहले यार. Being very honest, I belong to a very middle class family. But now we are living up to our dreams and doing everything that we want. We are wearing diamonds, we are wearing gold, we are getting good smartphones, clothes for everyone in my family. But finally बहुत ही हल्के ऐसे लग रहे हैं कि हवा में उड़ जाएंगे. Literally बहुत हल्के शूज़ है and this is from Nike Flex. The size I wear is 6.5. in this हर एक शू का साइज अलग था. साइज चार्ट जरूर देखना, बट इट्स वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. आई वोर देम एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव देम. Very pretty, very comfortable, universal color, will go with everything. So yes, you can go for this one if you want a black sports shoe. So guys, that is all about today's Myntra haul, try on haul, plus showing you some footwears, whatever I got from Myntra recently. And that is all about today's video. I hope you guys liked it. The dress I wore in Mamaearth event, a lot of you guys asked about it, and it is also from Myntra. I'll try to link that down in the description box as well. So yeah, that is all about today's video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take it. Bye. Lots of love, hugs and kisses. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, guys. Omicron variant is back, and I don't know what's going to happen in the next coming months, but just keep yourself safe, stay happy, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon right next to it. बस इतना कर दो, 100K करा दो यार. बस इस साल और कुछ नहीं चाहिए आपसे. प्रॉमिस है अच्छे वीडियो लाऊंगी आप लोगों के लिए. तो तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखिए, खुश रहिए, बाय बाय.